Ham radio, static fills the air. Signals lost, I just sit and stare. Old amplifier needs a tweak or two. Fixing this will fix my view.
So this is my amplifier, ETO Alpha 374, and it is a bandpass linear amplifier I got from a silent key. Problems back here, if you look, I've had to use a SO239 to RCA adapter. Input there is an RCA jack. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap that out. Nice look at the inside. All the things that make the magic happen. There, right down in the bottom, you can see the inside of the RCA connector. A giant transformer. First thing we'll do is get rid of the tubes, because I don't want to have to replace them. So I'm going to remove the tubes and then remove the RCA jack that's there and open that up. So there's a good look at the tube. As I take the tubes out, I actually place them in the manifold. Makes a nice holder. Keeps it safe. So just drill out the RCA jack hole. Fit a SO239 connector in there. Here you can see once I've got the connector in. One thing I did wrong here was I squeezed the connector with a pair of needle nose pliers, and in doing so I destroyed the inside that holds fast to the pin. You can see that there, how it's all opened up, and so I ended up swapping it out, and there we have it. Checking continuity. Sounds good. Check the outside. Also sounds good. It's a successful change from an RCA to an SO239. It was the first for me. And my soldering skills aren't great, but I was able to do it and do it well enough that it makes a good connection. So thanks for checking this video out. Over here there'll be a video that you might also like. I'll see you in the next one.
Fixing signals, fixing vibes. No more silence in these vibes. Broken parts I'll mend with skill. Bring back chatter, bring back thrill.